No, all we can say is just to confirm that he was served with summons to appear today, and then he will then appear somewhere, I think it was the 21st of April, in court. Therefore, that's all we can say because we can't talk about the contents of the summons.
Uphiko lwe-I-Npa olubhekela amacala enkohlakalo ngaphansi kwe-Npa luthi uphenyo luthole ukuthi iningi inkohlakalo nokwephulwa komthetho kwenzeka ngesikhathi inkampani kaVusimuzi Cat Matlala iMedicare 24 inikezwa yethenda ezigidi zamarandi nokwakuyinkontileka yokuhlinzeka ngezempilo kumalungu ombutho amaphoyisa.
Medicare 24 Tshwane District received the total amount of 50,310,590.68 in relation to the contract induced by fraud. 32. Rachel Macheng, accused number 4, was a member of SAPS and was stationed in the Division Forensic Science Services. The Division Forensic Services was one of the end users of the services that were raided by accused number 1 and or Medicare 24 Tshwane District in terms of the contract awarded to accused number 1 and or Medicare Tshwane District.
Abasolwa abanikezwe ibhayili yemali engu-40,000 amarandi kuya ku-80,000 ngokwahlukana ehambisana nombandelo ukuthi bengaphumi kuleli. Umbuso uthi ukulungele ukuqala kokuqulwa kwecala.
We will allow the courts to make decisions on this matter. We have enrolled the matter now, and we are in a position where we are really saying that let the court take this matter forward. We are comfortable that we are ready as the state to take this matter forward and then make sure that this case is finalized as soon as it can.
Icala lizobuyela enkantolo mhla ziyi-13 kuNhlaba.